This is a video about not how to make something. I'll show you right now how to make a little boat. Okay. First thing you need is a light.
But you have a cool one. You have a cool thing.
Okay. Number 2, you're going to need one of these. No, get out. I'm making a video. It's a video. Hey, you want to do anything?
Mama.
No.
Oh, you're doing a video. Okay.
Does she want to get on? Do you want to get on? Just 1 second.
Okay, 1 second.
Come here. Your birthday tomorrow.
Yeah. It's my birthday tomorrow.
Do the. Go get in bed. Go get in bed. Okay.
Did you go to the bathroom?
Guys, the next thing that you're gonna need is one of these Mingy Mababos. One of these soft blues. Second thing is that you're gonna need some pillows, of course. Like this. Switch. And you're gonna need some small pillows. I'm gonna need a big blanket. I use the cover. It covers everything. And you're gonna need. Wait, did I show you the light? To show you again. You're gonna need the light. You're gonna need your light. And the next thing I need is. It's pretty much all. And then the next thing you'll actually pick on that you need is something that you'll want to help you keep it up, like this sword. I'll show you what the sword looks like without the case. This is Mr. Origami on it. See? Mr. Origami box. Wait, it says Mango. Okay, who does want? I'll make the fort on the next. I'll finish the fort on the next video. And so yeah, I guys hope you will be able to make a big room, with a big bed like this. You guys can see. And that's pretty much all you need. So